What's up guys, and welcome back on my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to unbox and review my new Apple Watch band for my Apple Watch Ultra, the light blue Alpine loop. The box looks and feels very cheap, although I bought it in my local Apple store, so it's an original band. And I would say that the box is rather big for such a small product, but whatever. So let's unbox it and see what's inside. The price of this Alpine loop is $100. $100 is more than most of the cheap smartwatches on the market. Apple makes more money just by selling accessories and bands than the entire watch industry. Probably, I guess, I don't know. But they're crazy expensive, like $100 just for a piece of band, it's just a tissue with a little addition of titanium. It's like $100? Really, Apple? Although I really like how it looks. It's a very light blue color, similar to the color of the ocean. Honestly, I thought it will be more blue. It's closer to gray. It's something between blue and gray. Actually, it's light blue. They are not lying. It's not deep blue, but it's light blue. Of course, the quality is exceptional, although it's a very simple product. Again, stitching is perfect, the titanium details are perfect, so the build quality is rather on the top level, like always at Apple. Well, I hope for this price tag it should be really perfect, and it is. So let's put this band on my Apple Watch Ultra and let's see how it looks on my wrist. By the way guys, let me know in the comment section what do you think about this light blue Alpine loop for the Apple Watch Ultra. What's your favorite band for your Apple Watch? What's your favorite style of band? I actually started to really like the Alpine loop because it's very comfortable to wear. You can really adjust it on your wrist. You can really adapt perfectly the size of this band to your wrist, and it's very lightweight. It's comfortable to wear, so I decided to buy it because why not? Although I already have a huge collection of Apple Watch bands, this one will be a nice addition to my collection. By the way, if you're interested, I will leave a link in the description of this video so you can check it out. My first impressions are rather positive. I like this band, I like the quality. The only thing I don't like about it is its price. I think at $100 it's way too expensive for a simple piece of tissue with some titanium elements. It's way too expensive, even for Apple. I wonder what is their margin on this product? What are their margins on accessories like Apple Watch bands? Because let's be honest, the production cost of this band is probably $5 or $10 and they're selling it for $100. It's crazy expensive. They are making crazy money on stupid people like me. And you know what? People are buying it. I bought it. It's kinda crazy. Honestly, I bought it just because of the ocean color. Again, I will repeat myself, but I think the Alpine loop is one of the most comfortable Apple Watch bands ever. Your hand can breathe through this material, it's very flexible, you can really adjust its size to your wrist, so it's not too big, not too small. Just make sure to select the right size option. There is small, big and medium. I have a regular wrist, so I choose the medium option and it's perfect for me. The quality of this band is incredible. I like the color, I like this light blue ocean style band, and I think it really matches perfectly with this natural titanium color. Do I regret my purchase? Yes and no. I think $100 is crazy expensive for a simple accessory, but I like it, I enjoy it, so why not? Guys, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tech videos like this. Thanks again for watching. Peace.